In this video, I will show you whether it is possible to delete your transaction history on Cash App. Now, if you ever sent or received a payment and later wanted to remove it from your account, you may be wondering if Cash App gives you that option. Now, I will walk you through what you can and can't do and explain the only way to start over again with a fresh account history. Now, if you're trying to remove a specific payment or transfer from your transaction history, it is important to know that Cash App does not allow you to delete individual transactions. Once a transaction is completed, it will remain in your account history and there is no option to remove or hide it. But if you want to completely remove your transaction history, your only option is to close your Cash App account and create a new one. Before doing so, make sure your Cash App balance is zero. And if you have any Bitcoin or stocks, you will need to sell or transfer them before closing your account. To close your account, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down, then select Support. Then go to Account and Settings. Scroll down and tap Close your Cash App account and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Keep in mind that closing your account will deactivate your Cash Card and remove any account-specific features. Once your account is closed, you can create a new one if you want to start over with a fresh transaction history. And that is all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.